The government on Tuesday put Wikipedia on notice with reference to complaints of bias and inaccuracies in volunteer-controlled entries in the popular and free online encyclopedia. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. In a letter to the Internet Encyclopedia, the government highlighted that a small group of editors appears to have a significant control over the content, potentially influencing its neutrality. The Information and Broadcasting Ministry asked Wikipedia why it should not be treated as a publisher instead of an intermediary. The notice comes after the High Court on Friday took Wikipedia to task over its reluctance to remove allegedly defamatory edits on ANI's Wikipedia page. Now, this page at one point describes ANI as a propaganda tool for the Indian government. After the Delhi High Court slammed Wikipedia and threatened it with a ban in India, the Wikimedia Foundation clarified its position. Wikipedia in a statement asserts that it remains committed to India and that it would take steps to ensure that it does not face the likelihood of a ban. The case has been at the center of dispute since July. This comes after the ANI filed a defamation lawsuit against Wikipedia. ANI claims that the platform allowed harmful edits to its page, portraying the agency in a negative light. Not just that, it even restricted positive clarifications from being added on the page. Justice Prasad expressed his concern, saying that if Wikipedia is indeed a platform that merely facilitates user-generated content, it should not resist efforts to remove edits that lack verified basis. The judge pointed out that if Wikipedia considered itself just a wall for user input, then it should not stand in the way where the content is questioned for its accuracy and authenticity. Meanwhile, Wikipedia, represented by senior advocate Jayant Mehta, argued that the platform clearly operates with the disclaimers and does not claim factual accuracy. He stressed that Wikipedia is edited by volunteers based on secondary sources and that it does not endorse the content on its page. Wikipedia nowhere says I am factually accurate, Mehta said. During the hearing, Justice Prasad questioned Wikipedia's claim of being an encyclopedia. He asked if it is appropriate for the site to advertise itself as a credible source of information if it refuses to validate or correct the content edited by the users. What is troubling me is your representation to the people that I am an encyclopedia, Justice Prasad said. However, he also drew comparison to established encyclopedias like Encyclopedia Britannica, which upholds the standards of authenticity, suggesting that Wikipedia's disclaimer cannot fully protect it from accountability. As the hearing proceeded, ANI's counsel, Advocate Siddhant Kumar, strongly defended his client's position. He argued that ANI page on Wikipedia had become, as he described it, an index of defamation. He claimed that editors with an apparent bias had actively restricted positive information from appearing on the page, effectively creating one-sided narrative against ANI. Amid the hearing, Kumar also argued that while Wikipedia page painted ANI in a negative light, ANI's attempt to submit factual clarifications have been consistently dismissed by the Wikipedia editors. Kumar contended that the content on ANI page extends beyond scope of cited sources, often projecting editorial opinion as facts, which he argues skews public perception of news agency, creating a wrong picture in their minds. Well, it did not end here. The High Court further explored Wikipedia's role as an intermediary, asking why it should avoid responsibility for content moderation when it acknowledges that it has the policy against biased or defamatory content. To this, Wikipedia maintained its stance as a neutral platform that merely hosts content created by independent users. The platform emphasized that it does not act as a censor board, only removing content upon the court orders or when legally obligated to do so. ANI had sought the disclosure of identities of the individuals who made the edits on its Wikipedia page. Justice Prasad had previously ordered Wikimedia Foundation, which owns Wikipedia, to provide the details of the users responsible for the allegedly defamatory edits. While Wikimedia initially resisted, citing user privacy and its policy as an international platform, but the court held firm, stating that there is no legal barrier to disclosure since the platform was operating within the Indian jurisdiction. Now, this request to disclose the user identities sparked a broader debate on the user anonymity, the freedom of speech, and the responsibilities of online platforms in curbing misinformation. while Wikipedia's counsel argued that disclosing such information would set problematic precedent. But the critics argue that failing to hold such users accountable could embolden harmful and malicious edits on the sensitive topics. ANI argued that by hiding the identity of editors, Wikipedia obstructed the news agency's legal recourse against defamation. According to India Today, the Wikimedia Foundation claims that before the hearing on September 5, the company had informed the petitioners that they would seek guidance from the court. Prior to the September 5 hearing, we had informed the petitioners in good faith that we would approach the Honorable Court for appropriate directions. It is surprising that the petitioners choose to initiate contempt proceedings before the foundation could fully appraise the Honorable Court, the company said in a statement. Meanwhile, Justice Prasad also made it clear that while Article 19 of the Constitution grants citizens right to free speech, it does not absolve platforms like Wikipedia of responsibility of defamatory content. The court also noted that while Wikipedia can claim to be a neutral space for information sharing, it must still comply with the regulations and orders when defamatory content is involved. Towards the end of the hearing, Wikipedia agreed to comply with the court's directive, disclose the editor's information in a sealed cover. As of now, the case has been adjourned and the next hearing is scheduled for November 6. As this high-profile case continues, it brings into focus crucial questions about the digital accountability, user privacy, and the extent to which the platform should oversee the information shared within their networks. Moreover, Wikipedia faces damages claim of Rs 2 crore from ANI, which has also sought directions to remove the edits and prevent publishing of such content in future. Wikipedia was founded in 2001 by Jimmy Wales and Larry Sanger. The website is run by Wikimedia Foundation, which is based in the United States. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.